Isa ka rin ba sa naghahanap ng property dito sa Padre Garcia, Batangas and gusto mo yung mabilis malipatan? This is Cielo Townhouse dito sa Villa Verde. Tara! Para sa Cielo Townhouse natin, yung available na lot size for inner lot is 50 square meters and then for the floor area is 40 square meters. Ito yung ating frontage na yung haba niya is 5.5 meters. This is a complete turnover townhouse. So may tiles na tayo and paint upon turnover. And ang maganda, isa pa sa advantage ng property na to, yung ating solar panel system na merong 1.2 to 2.4 kilowatt hour. Ito yung magsuserve mo as your living area and then dito naman yung iyong dining. And para sa kitchen natin is meron na tayong countertop and sink and meron na rin tayo dito na under-counter cabinets. For our toilet and bath, complete set of fixtures with lavatory, flush and toilet, and meron tayo ditong shower area, and yung tiles nito is almost half. Dito naman sa ating likod or sa service area, meron tayo dito na more or less 2 meter setback. Welcome naman sa ating second floor. Dito sa second floor, meron tayong total of 2 bedrooms and yung steps natin dito is vinyl. And para sa flooring natin dito sa second floor is naka 60 by 60 tiles tayo. This will serve as your master's bedroom. Kita nyo yung size ng bed na ginamit dito is double size bed. Pero may space ka pa doon and also may space ka pa din sa area na ito. This is our bedroom number 2. Para sa reference nyo, yung size ng bed is single size. And meron tayo ditong mga awning windows. That's it for our Cielo Townhouse dito sa Villa Verde, Padre Garcia, Batangas. Kung interested ka, nandiyan sa description box yung full details, yung full house tour at ang aming contact numbers. Thank you for watching!